Well, good morning. Today is day 50 of our trip to Alaska. It is Tuesday, July the 9th. It's about 9 o'clock in the morning. It is a beautiful, sunny, warm day. We just left Marquette, Michigan. We got a little bit of fuel there. The prices of fuel when you enter Michigan from Wisconsin go up quite dramatically. And the farther you go into Michigan, the higher the prices are going to be. So we got a little bit more until we can get through the Mackinac Bridge area because it's very expensive there. And down into Gaylord, the prices start going down again. And that's according to Gas Buddy. We had a great night last night at Meijer. It was so quiet. Our original plan was to stay at Walmart, but the parking lot is so sloped there, it was hard to find a level area where they want you to park. And Lowe's also offers overnight parking, but again, it was a sloped parking lot. And so we went to the Meijer parking lot, which is behind Lowe's. So we were farther from the highway. And it, even though it is open 6 a.m. to 12 a.m., it was such a quiet parking lot. Nobody races past you to get to the exit and tours around you or anything. There was another van there as well as ourselves overnight. It was very, very quiet. We didn't hear the cars coming and going at all. So, yeah, we had a really good night's sleep. We needed it. We were really tired. We had a fair bit of rain, but it stopped during the evening. We didn't have any rain overnight that I know of. We're heading into some rain this afternoon. Hurricane Beryl is doing a number up this way, so not looking forward to that, but we'll make it through. So the plan is to stay around Clare tonight, and if that works out, we hope it does. And then tomorrow we'll be heading for home. So we're hoping for a safe day of travel, and stay tuned, more to come. We left Marquette, came along Highway 41 over to Highway 28, and then south on Highway 77 or down to Highway 2, and we're going along the north coast of Lake Michigan. And we've stopped at the only rest area along this stretch. We're headed for St. Ignace. This rest area serves both sides of the road, going both ways. It's a big rest area and it's busy. It's a little walkway down to the lake here that we're going to take. Got a couple fish flies on the ground. I hope I'm focused. It's so bright out. Whoop, it's slippery here. Very sandy, slippery on my sandals. There's a nice shaded area here you can sit. Picnic table, some benches. This rest area has a dog run as well. It's a full service rest area. Lots of milkweeds for the butterflies. Oh, beautiful down here on the lake. There's a sandy shore. That must be a Great Dane down there. That's a big dog. That's just a nice breeze to keep the bugs away. Looks like you can, it's shallow for a fair ways out. Beautiful here. Lake Michigan. Walkway we came down from the rest area. You can see the beach goes a long way. You can go for a nice walk along here. Give you a break from driving. I don't know if you want to swim in this water. It's pretty black coming in along the shore. That might be why there's nobody in here, despite the number of cars and everything parked here.
There's people in it when they came down. It just goes out.
Was there?
It's just nice area, eh?
Right there, it looks not too bad.
This area is long.
Yeah. Yeah.
Short.
Yeah, you can
They
see.
don't go out all the way. You can see that one. The border
Yeah.
is right there.
You can see dark areas over there. Huh. And you can see all the fish flies over here. It's just covered in fish flies. Oh, all kinds of them dead on the road. They only live for about 24 hours, I believe. And this is the time of year they come out. So it's not the best time to go fishing because they got lots to eat with these fish flies. So we came, when we left Marquette, came along Highway 41 to 28 and then down 77 to Highway 2. And there is some scenic views of the Lake Superior and now Lake Michigan. Headed over to St. Ignace and then down to Gaylord and then to the park we hope to spend the night. This is a really nice full service rest area.
Maybe it's not really.
It doesn't seem to be black, it's a more a dark blue. Sure is different bands of color in it though.
Yeah.
The waves are really kicking up the sand. With my sunglasses, it's a really pretty blue. Driving along the shore of Lake Michigan. Sand dunes on the opposite side. Very sandy area. It's a beautiful drive along here on a nice sunny day. Warm out. We saw a couple of deer today on the, well, Roy saw 3, I saw 2. They were in the middle of the highway. All the vehicles had to stop to let them cross. So we just passed another roadside park with bathrooms along the lake. I didn't see it marked on the map, so I didn't know about it. But it looks like a nice place to stop as well.
Take the exit on the right to I-75 South toward Mackinac Bridge.
credit card or something?
I'm not sure.
Canadian
You can ask her or him.
Continue on I-75.
$5 per axle.
for RV.
Hello,
Hi.
$10, please.
Do you take Canadian cash?
We do not.
You take
Sorry,
you
credit
take
card.
you take credit
Credit
card?
Credit card.
No.
Thank you.
One reach.
Why is my camera
Would
flashing?
you like your receipt?
Yes, please.
Okay, hang on 1 second. You have a great day.
You too.
Bye now.
Parking on behind us.
So we used our cash on gas and saved enough for the campground tonight and forgot all about the toll for the bridge. The color of that water. But luckily they took credit card. And they don't take Canadian cash at all. It's either US cash or credit card. The color of the water with my sunglasses on is just amazing.
You can breathe again.
Yep,
We're
we're
kind
getting,
of on land.
and we're still a long way up. Long way up. That's where we came from, over there. Lots of seagulls in the water. Now I can breathe. We paid $3.49.9 for fuel in Marquette. It's $3.89 here in Mackinac City. But down in Gaylord, it goes back down to $3.33. So I think we've got enough to get to Gaylord. We're just over an hour from Gaylord. Yeah, about an hour from Gaylord. So we should be fine. We're on I-75 South now. So we are in Clare, Michigan. We're at Pettit Park. It's a little small park in town. It's $25 for water and electric, $20 for dry camping. There's a car wash over there with vacuum. There's a little shower building and washrooms. There's the pay center up there, and also the dump station. You can see it just on the other side of that silver car with flush water. If you're not a registered guest, it's $5 to use the dump station. There's a nice park here with playground. And there's a pavilion with picnic tables, and there's a whole bunch of geese over there by the river. It's a small river. So yeah, you can see these are the electric sites along here. And then at the end there's some tent sites. And then there's the day use area here. And the river over there that the geese are enjoying. So this is home for tonight in Clare, Michigan.